there is a particular conflict going on in the country about the agitators. You are one of our elders. Please, speak to the power. Let us resolve every conflict and agitation in every area of this country peacefully. I humbly request your intervention because I know God has placed the capacity upon you to speak to our president and everybody in the realm of affairs to assist us in dealing politically with the issue of Sunday Igboho and Onipokia. In my language, they will say, "Ọmọ ẹni ò ní burú títí, ká lè fẹ́kùn pàjẹ́." Your Excellency, finally, I want to thank you. I want to thank everybody. Peace will abide with us. Amen.